Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And we can see that right now Bitcoin is back to $42,160 after getting a nice move over the weekend towards the upside, but again getting rejected around this yellow line, exactly right there, getting a perfect touch point, and from there on we got a nice bounce for the time being at 42,000. Now again, I'm still looking to long around this area. I have placed my order. Gold members are aware of this this update, so my position has been marked and still waiting to get filled. We got pretty damn close to getting filled, but not there yet. But again, still waiting. Patience is key. I didn't care about this move towards the upside because I still felt that I had a strong chance to go towards the downside, which is exactly what happened. But again, it's not exactly as predicted. We're just expecting moves. I know Daniel hates exactly as predicted because things are never exactly as predicted. Now moving on, we can see that Bitcoin on the weekly time frame opening up with a red candle, an 11 on the top and a -2 on the DBSI right here, coming towards the downside. We can see the money flow starting to cut down now, along with the VWAP starting to move up closer to that zero line. Again, like I said, once we cross into that red money flow, I expect a 50% correction in Bitcoin, like we have had in the past. A 50% correction. A couple weeks later, you can see it took us 8 weeks to bottom out, find that bottom around $3,000 after correcting from 6,500 in the price of Bitcoin. Once we cut into that red money flow on the weekly time frame, same thing right here in 2014. We could see that Bitcoin, from $300 came all the way down here to $153. Now this one took us, 12 weeks or 84 days. So always take that into account. Took us a long time there. 4 weeks less. Maybe it's going to be 4 weeks less here. I've just, it's not anticipate, but we'll see if this plays out. If it does, then great. We're gonna have a great time shorting this. Right now, I expect a small bounce for Bitcoin. If we get back to this level, it could maybe propel us back up to $44,928. But again, be wary of this. It's not 100% guaranteed. As we can see right now, the traditional markets are starting the week off the overnight markets off in the red right now. Dow Jones down 33 basis points, S&P 500 down 43, and right here Nasdaq leading the charge down 68% or 0.69%. So again, if the DXY rises, that is bearish for Bitcoin and bearish for gold. So right now, gold once again getting rejection at that 1950 area, proving to be significant resistance. I am still hoping that gold has a move towards the downside, probably because of the next CPI numbers that do come out. Maybe we're gonna have a sharp rise in gold, maybe to $2,000, and after that get a sharp rejection after that. As you know, after CPI's numbers come out, gold tends to have a sharp move up and then a sharp move down. Moving along, we can see that right here. Oops, there we go. Bitcoin on the hash ribbons still have not crossed yet. We are still waiting for that capitulation. Again, it is a lagging indicator. It's not always 100% either, so just take that into account. But again, if we do create a cross, it is possible that this falls in line with the money flow crossing into the red time frame. So be wary of these moves. Right now, also to add to this, natural gas getting a nice pullback, so expecting some green on that stock market position that we are holding. So if natural gas starts to fall, our KOLD position is going to be significantly in the green after that. So if you guys haven't already, you guys can subscribe to the Discord membership, which has, by the way, prices have now increased. It's no longer $10 a month, so I'm probably gonna have to remove this banner that I have in the bottom because it's no longer $10 and $5. But if you guys don't want access to the Discord and you just want the crypto trades or you just want the stock trades, we have that option as well available. It's going to be Telegram groups, which basically are messages forwarded from the Discord to a specific Telegram group, so you guys can get alert messages when I long and when I short. So everything's in the description. You guys can take a look at it, shop around. Moving along, Ethereum following Bitcoin as well, trying to hold 3151 as support. Again, if we don't hold this level of support, next level you want to take a look at is 2884. That would be a good opportunity to long if we do get there. But again, nothing is guaranteed, and it's not 100% that we are going to get there. So if we do hold this level of support, your next level of resistance, you want to take a look at 3400. After that, you know, we could see we are getting rejected from this trend line again. Maybe a downwards move is very possible. Maybe we're going to zigzag our way down here with Ethereum, and maybe we're going to touch around this area, which would fall in line right here at 27.80, or maybe we're going to find support here at 28.51. So pay attention to these charts. If you guys want access to these charts, links in the description. Right now as well, MACD, you know, starting to come into the red right here, but it's possible we start to curl back up. Nothing's guaranteed. Me, mostly, I'm going to be looking at what the traditional markets are going to do this week. Due to the CPI numbers, probably going to be really bad. So, again, if that comes out and the inflation is extremely bad and it's going to get worse, you're going to see a big sell-off in the traditional markets, which will cause Bitcoin to sell off as well. Whew. But yeah, overall, patience is key. Don't rush into your trades. Use proper risk management. Don't use too much leverage, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace. If you guys want, you guys can sign up for Big Get Training. Links in the description. And that's where I'll do all my crypto trades. Peace.